Hello everybody. What I'm doing today is testing out 4 different glues on PLA filament. I printed these off at 0.2 layer height, 214 degrees, and I need to find out what glue holds up the best, because I had printed off a airplane that I wish to glue together, so I need to get it right. So anyway, for the first glue here is Gorilla glue that I bought at Canadian Tire, and I've used it mainly for my balsa kits, and it works quite well. The next one is Weldbond. I'm sure you can get that just about at any hardware store. And this I've just been mainly using for wood, but thought I'd give it a try. And then I got medium CA made by Red Baron Adhesives. This is no longer made. The owner of the company had passed away, and apparently the children don't want to carry on the business, so as far as I know you can't get it anymore. But I've used this on most of my airplanes that are almost ready to fly. And then I bought this Zap-A-Gap off of Amazon, which is in the US that I could find it. And we'll see how that one works out. So all I'm going to do is, like, I printed these little test pieces, one round, one square. So I'm just going to break them apart and see which one is the strongest, and that'll be the one that I'll use to build my airplane. So we'll start off with the Gorilla glue. Well, that just snaps right off. So obviously that one is not going to work. So we got Weldbond here. Took a little more effort. So far the Gorilla glue is the weakest and Weldbond is next. Now we'll do the CA, the Red Baron, and it breaks about the same as the Gorilla one did. Not much hold to it. That one a little harder. So last we'll try the Zap-A-Gap. See how that works. Well, that really held tight. Oh. The other piece is halfway across the room now, but that seems to be the best out of the whole work zone. It was recommended that the CA glues to use an accelerator, but I'm not 100% sure that an accelerator really works. It may work for the surface, but I'm thinking that it may block off the curing process on the inside. So what I did with these samples here, they have sat here for 46 hours. So I'm kind of sold on this one, the Zap-A-Gap. So that's what we'll end up using to put our 3D printed airplane together. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's my little test. You can see what happened and make up your own mind. Take care. Thanks.